If you are wondering how Cash App Afterpay works, this guide will walk you through the basics of setting it up and using the Buy Now, Pay Later features. And keep in mind that availability varies by country, account status, and eligible merchants, so not every Cash App account will have this option. So the first thing that you'll want to do is make sure you are using the latest version of Cash App. If you're using an iPhone, open the App Store and search for Cash App and install any available updates. If you're using an Android device, open the Google Play Store and search for Cash App and update the app to the latest version. Next is open Cash App and sign into your account. If you are using the web version, click on your profile icon and open Settings. Look for a section related to Afterpay, Buy Now, Pay Later, or Pay Over Time. If your account is eligible, you will see an option to activate or set up or connect the service. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to link your eligible account. If you don't see this option, it may not be available for your account or your region yet. But once the feature is enabled, you'll need to link a payment method. This is typically a supported debit card or linked bank account that will be used for your installment payments. After your payment method is verified, you'll be able to use the Buy Now, Pay Later at participating online and in-store merchants that supports the service. And then, now that everything is set up, you are ready to shop. So visit any store that accepts Cash App card payments. A helpful tip is to look for the Afterpay payment option during checkout, as some merchants use it to support Cash App payments. So for example, one store that I like is Tommy Hilfiger. So for example, we're gonna check out an item, add it to your cart, choose the size. Let's say we're gonna have this, add it to our bag. And then on the checkout page, okay, you will see the available payment methods. If Cash App, you see this, or Afterpay is supported, simply select it and follow the prompt to complete your purchase. And that's how Cash App Afterpay works. If the feature is available for your account, simply update Cash App and check whether the Buy Now, Pay Later option is available, connect your account if prompted, and link a supported payment method before shopping at any participating merchants. But keep in mind that missing payments may result in late fees or may affect your ability to use the service in the future depending on your terms. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.